Tell us a little bit about what Enso does.
So Enso is automation platform, but a bit different. So usually, traditionally, automation platforms were more on the technical side. So if you wanted to build something, for example, on NA10 or Make or one of more technical wise, you need to understand code. You need to understand like if and then scenarios, like or end cases that are very difficult to understand to program. You need to be an engineer, like have an engineer's mind, I guess. And if you wanted to work with Zapier, which is also technical, but it's a bit easier, then you need to become like a no code engineer, I guess, because you need to understand like 1,000 use cases, 1,000 stuff that can happen with the flow. And Enzo basically is an no code, like vibe coding platform where you can just write a prompt and build it. Now, the cool thing is it makes every person who has creativity or every person who wants to automate something, he can now automate it using Enzo. Now, of course, now we're even with a prompt into a basic understanding about how systems work. So and how like LLMs like ChatGPT and all of those work. That's generally to give the option for everybody to become like AI. We call it AI builder, like an AI engineer. If you want to use the lingo, everybody wants to be like an AI guy. So instead of saying AI expert, which is like very random, we call it AI builder. So everybody can do it, even if you're not super technical. Just if you're open to, you can open your mind to understanding how it works and to learn. And then it's super easy. You can build as many automation as you want, and there's no like if and then very small things you need to understand, like, and to find bugs that might happen in the future so your entire like flows won't break. So it's much simpler, much easier, and it gives you like the advantage for the future. So everybody, if you're a founder and you want to get your company moving much faster, because the boat is sitting on your ass to bring more revenue and to bring more ARR, or if you're like a head of growth or even some growth team who needs to learn AI, because if you don't know AI in the near future and you cannot build system, and everybody telling you have to do like 1,000 assignments, but you have 9 hours, 8 hours a day, and you have to build systems. And if you don't build them, it will be very hard to progress in tech. So this is our goal to help you become this AI builder, to be the one who can push the company forward, which is very important.